Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to create polls on iPhone iMessage iOS 26. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first one to do is go ahead and open the Messages app. Then select the iMessage user where you want to create the poll. Click on the plus button. Then go ahead and click on Polls. Then it should say where you can create your poll. So go ahead and then create your poll. Then you can add your comment or send. Then you can also add your choice. That is to extend the poll. Then whenever anyone check the poll, then it should say whoever checked the poll. So this is best when you create a group message on iMessage. And that's it. So that's exactly how to create polls on iPhone iMessage iOS 26. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.